Oh!
Okay.
Alright.
Yep.
Woo! That gets me in the mood.
Oh.
Alright. So in this video, we want to talk to you about like the best way to save money and just lower your cost of living. And it's
This is like the biggest life hack in the world.
Yeah, like this is actually a very important video, and it's something that kind of plays a big role in our lives. It's this thing known as geo arbitrage. Geo arbitrage is a concept that Tim Ferriss talks a lot about. He kind of made it popular. He talks about it in his 4-Hour Workweek book. So if you know what arbitrage is, it's kind of like taking advantage of two different markets and kind of profiting from it. So geo arbitrage, I guess it stands for geographic arbitrage, where you take advantage of another geographic area's cost of living.
Alright, so to give you an example, we live in Hawaii right now, which honestly, when we moved here, I knew it was gonna be expensive, but I didn't really think that much about it. I was like, it's okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
Especially coming from Thailand. Yeah. Fuck.
Yeah, that shit us right in our face.
Yeah. So yeah, we live here in our apartment. We're gonna show you what our apartment costs and what it gets you. And then we're also gonna show you
Apartment tour.
Woo! And then we're also gonna show you an apartment tour of our apartment in Thailand. It's a video we randomly took.
So luckily I found it in the archives.
Yeah. There's no talking in it.
We'll do a voiceover.
Yeah, you'll get to see the difference in cost of living here and in Thailand, and the quality of living, and then you'll see like why this is such a crazy concept.
Yeah, this really is the best way to save a bunch of money. One of the biggest things in building an online business and passive income is money. You need to be living below your means, and you need to save this money to invest in business. It's really hard to build a business with no money, and the best way to do that is saving money. This is a big life hack.
Like, it's the biggest life hack.
Yeah.
But right, you do need to be having like an online income so that you can move away from your home and job and whatnot. Let's just start with this tour.
Apartment tour.
Right, so we pay $2,300 for our apartment
Here in Hawaii.
Right, it's in Waikiki, which is a really expensive area. Honestly, totally unnecessary for us to be living here. Should I just walk around like this with it? Oh no, we got the gimbal, okay.
Yeah, apartment tour time.
Woo! Who's there?
MTV Cribs.
Oh shit!
Yeah, that was today.
Welcome to another episode of MTV Cribs. You get to see how we live. Alright, let's take a look.
All right, let's get the tour.
Alright. Real quick. Kitchen. Real. Got the big old balcony.
So yeah, this is our breakfast, lunch, and dinner table right here out on the balcony, which is pretty sweet.
Balcony is a must if you've never had a balcony before.
Yes.
This is where our friends live.
Our one roommate, Max.
Yeah, this is his bed. Okay, let me make that again.
All right, let's talk a little bit about it. So
Alright,
we got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
I'm not sure about the square footage. I think it's about 120.
Yeah, I'm really not quite sure. It's a small apartment.
Bathroom, solid bathroom. So
I like the bathroom.
They're seeing this before I Thailand.
See, check out this gimbal setup. We just got this. This thing's hella confusing though. This is $2,300 a month.
Bathroom. This is where all the magic happens.
Yes, this is where all of the magic happens.
Yeah. So
Workstation. Back out. And that's basically the whole thing. Alright, so this is how we live for $2,300 a month rent here in Hawaii.
now we go here. Alright, you guys see where we sleep. You see our view. You see seen all that. Now get out of here.
Okay. Chiang Mai apartment tour. Okay, so this is where we lived in Chiang Mai, middle of the city.
Look at this. Look
Yeah.
at that. That's me.
Marble
6 months ago.
floors. So this was a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment in Chiang Mai.
3 bedrooms and 3 It's
For
we're
two-
2 people.
Why did we didn't even need it?
Christian had the master bedroom, and I had 2 bedrooms to myself. I literally slept in one, then went to the other next night, then went back, and then I'll move for this one.
Yeah, it was sweet.
And I had 2 bathrooms for myself.
your-
Which one do I want to shower in? Which one do I want to take a shit in?
Yeah, there's your second bedroom. There's your second bathroom. We had to do dishes in the bathroom because we didn't have hot water in the kitchen, which was annoying. Here comes my master bedroom. So we had this whole place for just $1,500 a month. Compare that to what we're paying now, $2,300 for an apartment that is a fraction of how awesome this
We have
apartment
3
was.
balconies.
3 balconies.
Look at those white marble floors.
Yeah.
Look
so-
at that beautiful kitchen.
Yeah, that was the workstation.
I miss the big windows. It's just light everywhere.
Yeah, good
The
times.
view.
And
Yeah, I miss living in Chiang Mai.
$1,500 a month. This really puts it in perspective the whole geo arbitrage. Like, it's a big deal. It's a life hack. We were able to live like this for so much cheaper than we do now. Standard of living was way higher for us. Cost of living was way lower. Like, it didn't make sense.
It's like a freaking cheat code.
It really
We were
is.
living amazing for half the price we are here. Like, wait,
Geo arbitrage is a cheat code.
like, and it's there. Like, use it, do it. Like, people just like will choose still to stay at home, whatever. I know you do need an online business, but once you have that up and going and you can work from anywhere, you have to travel to these countries where you can live for cheap and live like a freaking king
Yeah,
or queen.
yeah.
So
So,
I love it.
yeah. Alright, I guess that's that.
Awkward pause.
Let's just finish out this tour.
Look at that. Oh, look.
Alright, sweet. Alright, so those were the 2 apartment tours of our last 2 places we've lived. So if you're considering like moving abroad and living online, you're not living online, you're living off your online business, you should totally go for it. Fucking go for it. Make that step. It's a big commitment, but it's a massive action that you should take and can change your life.
And if you guys have any questions about it, because it's like a big movie.
Oh,
Like, it's super scary and all, right? So just in the comments, ask us whatever you want. You can send us an email, asking questions. We could talk there, talk on Facebook, whatever.
Yeah. This is fun to talk about because
I
this
love
is something
this
we're
stuff.
very passionate about because it's something that we've done that has changed our lives. This is how we live now. Move around, live somewhere 3 months at a time, and it just changes you. It's crazy experiences you go through. Now let's end this video by saying goodbye and start that nice intro music right now. Ha! Psych. Not going to the outro yet. There was one other thing we recorded to really put it into perspective. The numbers behind geo arbitrage. So we're gonna put that in right now. Alright, so we also wanted to show you guys 2 awesome websites that you can use to compare the cost of living between 2 cities, and so you can really see the numbers and the statistics behind this whole geo arbitrage concept. So instead of just our word, you can see the actual numbers behind it. So here we're comparing 2 cities we live in now and the one we used to live in. So we live in Honolulu right now. We used to live in Chiang Mai.
It's not like we just picked the most expensive and least expensive and comparing
No.
them. We're doing the place we live and the place we used to live.
So this is our experience. This was from our life. Now just look at this first one. Ridiculous. Meal at an inexpensive restaurant in Hawaii, $17.75. Which restaurants are so expensive here.
I don't like it.
I hate it.
I
So
don't
we
like it.
don't eat out anymore because of that. But in Chiang Mai, like, are you kidding me? $1.25.
For a freaking meal equivalent to yours, $17.75.
Yeah. So we were eating out 3 times a day in Chiang Mai. Oh, and it was so
And
awesome.
spending $10 doing it.
Yeah, and you save so much time.
Oh my
It
god.
was so awesome. So yeah, there was this certain restaurant.
I
we
really
would go-
miss that.
Yeah, there was this certain restaurant we would go to all the time. We'd spend $2 and we would just stuff ourselves. Crazy. You can't do that anywhere else.
Look, there's 92.93% difference. You're getting 92% off at restaurants.
Guys, yeah, you need to wrap your head around this. Like, this is the best way to save money. 50, 70, 80% off on just everything, except for random thing. Wine, I guess it's expensive. But Now let's go to the other really important one, which would be rent. Look at this. One apartment in Hawaii, one room apartment in Hawaii in the city center, $1,681. We paid $2,300 for a 2-bedroom right in the middle of the city. The equivalent in Chiang Mai would cost $300.
Do you understand?
Oh my
that you
god.
can live for 5 months for the same price you can live for 1 month here in Hawaii.
Yeah, it's absolutely insane. 81% discount. So let's see. The average, 2,000 to 6,000. It's like 3 times as expensive here. So let's say 70% off. Living in Chiang Mai is the equivalent of walking around with a 70% off coupon that you could just use anywhere. Like, hello, 70% off coupon.
But it's automatically applied. You don't even need
You don't need to even hold the coupon.
Yeah,
you can just live.
It's applied.
Yeah, when you arrive, this coupon begins.
Oh man.
Not enough people take advantage of this. So this is one website. It's fun to compare cost of living in different places around the world. Do that where you live now and some other place.
Yeah.
Southeast Asia, Europe, wherever. So this is the one website I wanted to show you. The other one here called nomadlist.com. It's basically a list of the top digital nomad cities around the world. Now, I don't like the word digital nomad.
When I picture digital nomad, I imagine someone
backpacker
with a big backpack
haggling over a 50-cent meal.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I guess technically we are digital nomads.
No.
No,
I'm not a digital nomad.
No. Entrepreneur.
Traveling entrepreneur.
So have a look through here. You can see the average cost of living if you want to compare cities. Chiang Mai was $967 a month. Let's compare that with Honolulu. Come on, see, look.
This one's saying that it's over 4 times as expensive.
Yeah, ridiculous.
Like, you won't find those discounts anywhere. You find I'm just curious, what's the cheapest place in like the world to live?
Let's see. Filter. Cost of living.
Okay. You can live in Constantine, Algeria for $51 a month if you want to. If you're super broke, you could go there and you can live.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
Wow, that's insane.
For $51, I guess rent is $20. Food's $20. Then you got $10 to do whatever else you want.
Crazy.
I don't know how it's possible.
Yeah.
But that's what it says.
So this is the most expensive place in the world. What the fuck? Bridgeton, Montana. Okay, Monaco. I figured. Look, Kauai. Oh my god.
God.
Yeah, Hawaii's so expensive.
Why are we doing this to ourselves living out here?
Trying to save money. Don't live in Hawaii.
Oh, I've been wanting to live in Cayman Islands.
Mykonos, is that expensive? Okay, anyway. All right, so yeah. Have a look through these 2 websites. Open your mind up to the possibility of this, of living somewhere else and living super cheap and living like a boss.
Look, you're going to be saving a whole lot of money and you're going to be living better and in these really cool places.
Yeah.
Like the amount of experiences that we've had traveling around the way we have is crazy and insane. And I don't understand why anyone who has the opportunity to, if you have an online business, would not do the same thing.
All right, that's that. Look through these. Goodbye.
That's the biggest life hack for saving money.
Yep.